This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major snowstorm is headed towards Thunder Bay, Ontario on Wednesday, April 26, 2017. It's going to bring up to 10 plus centimeters of snow in Thunder Bay, Ontario and the surrounding areas as well. Roads will be snow covered, streets and highways and Trans-Canada Highway will be snow covered in Thunder Bay, Ontario, surrounding areas as well. It's going to bring real cold temperatures. It's going to bring dangerous and slippery drive conditions. The roads will be snow covered in Thunder Bay, Ontario. The same major snowstorm is also going to hit Dryden, Ontario, Kenora, Ontario, Fort Frances and Ignace. It's going to bring a lot of snow in Thunder Bay, Ontario, surrounding areas as well. There'll be a lot of snow. When you go for a walk, be very careful walking so you don't slip and fall in Thunder Bay, Ontario and the surrounding areas as well. I recommend people to wear your winter boots, winter jackets, hats, gloves, and scarves, and ski pants ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Make sure you have your Samsung Galaxy charged, smartphones, cell phones, laptops, and tablets charged, and every treat before you get ready. When you drive the car, take your time, drive the car, slow down, so you don't get a car accident. We go for a walk. Be very good for walking so you don't slip and fall. Make sure if your furnace is ready. Turn on your furnace to keep those warm. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. Have your extra blankets ready to keep you warm as well. Make sure if your shovels, snow scoops, snow blowers, snow plows, and salt trucks ready as well. If everybody lives in Thunder Bay, Ontario, be prepared for major snowstorm on Wednesday, April 26, 2017. Take care, stay safe. And don't get caught in a major snowstorm. Stay warm and be safe.